Brad Hall here, and today's show is totally jam-packed. Joining me is the Yeezy 350 Zyon colorway. I'll tell you all about that shoe, and then I've got some style advice. I'm going shopping online, and I'm gonna pick out the perfect outfit for this shoe, so stay tuned. This Zyon colorway is very nice looking. It's got that whole earth tone vibe going on. Now I've seen some comparisons being made between this shoe and the Turtle Dove 350. I would say that's a bit of a stretch. The upper on this one is mostly creamy and brown. There's a little pocket where there's some warm gray. All of those colors work very well together. One of my favorite parts of this colorway is you can really see the differences in the knit patterns. There are very distinct sections. It creates kind of this visual texture. It makes it very interesting to look at. The stripe on this upper is very dark, almost a black, but it does look like there is a little bit of warmth. Maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me because of this brown, but it does seem not like a deep black. There's a little something going on with it. The midsole and sole, you're gonna see that milkiness, and then kind of that light gum down there. This has definitely become a popular midsole and sole combination on this model. So the Zyon colorway is a very strong 350 colorway. It's also very versatile. It's light colored, so it's nice in these warmer months, but it also looks perfect for fall. It's really a multi-season shoe. Supposedly they're producing a good amount of this colorway. I'm sure a lot of you will be picking it up, and if you do, you're probably looking for some style advice. I decided to go shopping online to try to pick out the perfect outfit for this shoe, and I think I did, so I'm gonna show you that segment right now. With this colorway, I'm thinking this outfit should largely be in earth tones. I think that would complement it nicely. I like to start at the bottom, so we are gonna start with those pants. I'm thinking maybe a camo. Now this camo, this one is a little too busy. Something that's nice about this one, it bunches at the ankles, so you're gonna see that shoe really well. I think what I want is actually more of an olive green pair of pants. I think I found the perfect one right away. You can see in this photo, it looks great with those white clogs. Now I'm also gonna take a look at a pair of socks. I think a pair of cream socks would look really nice. Now here's an interesting cream colored sock. Looks like it's very breathable. Only problem with it, it doesn't go up over your ankles, so you're not gonna really see that. I think I found it. I am really drawn to this 3-pack of socks. It has an ivory option and a khaki. Now let's look for a shirt. I'm really liking this shirt. Big fan of the comfort colors shirts. They come in a lot of great subdued colors too. I like this crimson a lot. I like this gray a lot. The sandstone, that's very nice. A lot of great options, but I'm really drawn to this crimson. Everything we've got so far is pretty basic. It would be nice to get kind of a statement piece in this outfit. Now this is a very interesting looking jacket. I love the texture on it. I love the color. And it looks like it comes with a necklace built in. You get a free accessory. I love that. Now we're down to a hat. This might be a nice opportunity to introduce some color. Maybe this blaze orange. Wait, I think I found something better actually. This is gonna tie really nicely with that pair of olive pants. And it's very of the moment. I could definitely see wearing this out right now. So that is my look for this shoe. A lot of basics in there. I kept it very simple. It's just something you can put on and go about your day. So that was my show for today. If you do pick up this shoe, I hope you find the perfect outfit, and thanks for watching.